5 best dividend stocks that will pay your bills. We all know that a significant portion of the average household income goes towards paying bills. In fact, for many people, almost all the money that they make goes towards paying bills. Essentially, they are living from paycheck to paycheck. What if I tell you that there is a way out, a way to get that extra cash that pay the bills for you? Hello everyone watching, welcome back to this channel. Today we are talking about one of the best kept secrets to building long-term wealth, dividend stocks. Now, if you've been searching for ways to generate passive income that can actually help cover your monthly bills, you are in for a treat in this video. So stay tuned. In this episode, we are exploring the 5 best dividend stocks that are not only stable but have a track record of consistently paying out reliable dividends. These are the kinds of stocks that can help you build a stream of income, whether it's to pay out your rent, pay your phone bills, or even just your daily Starbucks run. If you're ready to learn how to make your money work for you, let's get into it now. Number 1, the Johnson & Johnson stock. The first on the list is none other than the Johnson & Johnson, one of the largest healthcare companies in the world. You've definitely heard of their products, everything from Tylenol to Band-Aids and baby powder. But what you might not know is that Johnson & Johnson is also what we call a dividend king. That means they've not only paid out but increased their dividends for over 50 years straight. This kind of consistency is what makes them a fairly reliable bet when it comes to stock investment. Now, you might be wondering, how come? Why is J&J such a great dividend stock? Well, healthcare is a recession-proof industry. People need medicine and medical products. No matter what's happening in the economy, there is consistency in the demand of their products. That stability is why J&J has been able to pay dividends so consistently over the long term. At the time of making this video, their dividend yield is around 2.8%, which means for every $100 you invest, you are earning about $2.80 in annual dividends. And with over 5 decades of growth, those dividends will likely keep climbing. If you invested, let's say, $10,000 in J&J stock, you will be looking at about $280 per year in passive income. It might not seem like a lot at first, but over time, especially with dividend reinvestment, it can grow into a serious income stream for you that you can use to pay your bills. Number 2, Procter & Gamble. Next up, we have another company that's probably in your bathroom, kitchen, and laundry room right now. Procter & Gamble. This company owns some of the most well-known household brands like Tide, Pampers, and Gillette. But here's what makes PG really stand out. They've been paying out and increasing dividends for over 67 years straight. Procter & Gamble is a consumer staples giant, which means people buy their products even when times are tough. That stability allows them to keep paying dividends year after year. Currently, P&G's yield is sitting around 2.5%, and their consistent track record makes it a strong pick for anyone looking to generate reliable passive income. Let's say you invest $10,000 in P&G stock. You could expect to earn about $250 a year in dividends. Now, it's not going to replace your full-time job, but if you keep reinvesting those dividends, you will watch your income grow steadily over time. Now, let's go to number 3, Coca-Cola. This is a true classic, Coca-Cola. Now, this is a company that has been around for over 100 years and has grown into one of the most recognizable brands in the world. What's more, Coca-Cola has been paying and increasing its dividends for more than 60 years. That makes it another dividend king. Coca-Cola's current dividend yield is around 3%, making it one of the higher yield stocks on this particular list that I have today. Plus, it's a company with a global reach. So even in tough economic times, people still buy their beverages. Whether it's Coke, Fanta, Powerade, the products sell year-round, providing a steady income for the company and in turn reliable dividends for its shareholders. If you put in $10,000 into Coca-Cola, you'll receive about $300 per year in dividends. And with Coca-Cola's long history of dividend growth, you can expect those payments to keep rising. Number 4, realty income. Now, this next stock is a bit of a favorite for dividend investors because of its unique feature. It pays dividends every month. Realty income is a real estate investment trust, otherwise known as REIT, which means it owns portfolio of real estate properties and leases them out to businesses. The rent from these properties is passed on to investors in the form of dividends. Realty income has over 25 years of dividend increases, and the current dividend yield is around 5.5%. That's right, 5.5%. With that kind of yield, realty income offers one of the highest returns on this list, making it ideal for those looking to generate steady cash flow. And because the company pays out dividend monthly, it's almost like getting a paycheck from your investment. A $10,000 investment in realty income could give you around $550 a year, paid out in monthly installments. If you're someone who wants to build a regular passive income stream, this stock could help cover recurring bills like utilities or your phone bill. Number 5, AT&T. Finally, on this list, we have AT&T, one of the largest telecommunications companies in the world. If you're looking for a high-yield dividend stock, AT&T is one to watch. Their current dividend yield is a hefty 7%, one of the highest among large-cap companies in the world. What's even better is that AT&T has a long history of paying out reliable dividends to shareholders. AT&T provides essential services like wireless networks, internet services, and streaming services. These are things that people use every single day, whether the economy is up or down. That's why the company revenue is stable and relatively consistent. While AT&T stocks price can fluctuate, its dividends payment have remained strong, making it a great pick for investors focused on generating income. If you invest $10,000 in AT&T, you will be looking at about $700 a year in dividends. That's enough for you to cover a few months of your Netflix subscription or your YouTube subscription, or help chip away at your phone bills. So there you have it. 5 of the best dividend stocks that will help you pay your bills and build a steady stream of passive income. Whether you're drawn to the stability of companies like Johnson & Johnson or the high yields of AT&T and realty income, these stocks are all strong contenders for any dividend-focused portfolio. Every investment comes with risk and requires due diligence on the part of the investor. Please seek independent expert financial advice before making any investment decisions. What I tell you here is my own experience. Remember, the key to dividend investing is patience and reinvestment. Over time, these dividend payments can grow, helping you cover more of your monthly expenses. So, which one of these stocks are you most interested in? Let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more wealth building tips from me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.